Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what matters. Collect primary documents first, then the best secondary analyzes. This gives you a backbone. Once done, sort by date and provenance so you can trace change over time. Label files YIMMDD author. Make sure to create 3 folders, raw, notes, final, and place originals in raw. That keeps your process reversible. From here, open a concise template and begin extracting facts, quotes. In context, do not summarize yet, extract. Now you extract evidence into a structured table so analysis becomes mechanical. Enter date, verbatim quote, and 1 sentence of context. Tag each row for theme. Once you have a critical mass, group rows into thematic clusters. That reveals patterns across time. Make sure to paraphrase carefully and keep quotes exact. This preserves credibility. Then synthesize each cluster into a 2-3 sentence claim with supporting citations. Those claims will form the skeleton of your final history file. Finish by drafting a clear narrative that links your thematic claims in chronological order. Open with a concise thesis and close with a reflection on change over time. Once drafted, revise for clarity, verify all citations, and add a brief historiography explaining key source debates. Make sure to export the final as PDF and archive raw, and notes in a zip for reproducibility. If citations mismatch, check your table first. Mismatched dates or tags are the usual cause. Fix provenance, then regenerate the bibliography.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.